Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I thought I'd go over my Darche awning walls that I had just purchased. First time I got them out was at the HTC East event, so let's take a look. So while we're here camping at McCormick Creek State Park, we thought we'd show you guys what the Darche walls look like. So got it staked out. You can see from where the accessory poles are, you've got quite a bit of lean-to. You can tuck that in more, you can pull that out, which is a pretty handy feature. This flap could be tied out too. So this is kind of how you enter into the space. This space is absolutely huge. So as you can see, that's what, how far across is that?
Probably about 5 foot.
Yeah, you're probably
from the table.
Yeah, and then you're probably another 2 to 3 feet. So you probably got about 8 foot going from the trailer here out to one of your walls. So quite a bit of room, guys. Just amazing. You come around this side. There's just a ton of storage. So you could use this as a changing room, store extra gear, especially when it's windy or there's sand blowing, it's cold. You just have a lot of extra storage. And I've got my task lighting in place, which illuminates the inside really well. Plus we've got the exterior lights here and on the side. So for setting up the walls, each wall's labeled, and it's got a label so you know it's wall 1, 2, or 3. So it's easy to figure out which panel to put where. So the inside here, got these toggle bolts, so when you roll this up, you can tie up the inside. Here's your zippers, so you just zip it on and zip it off. Hey guys, while I'm making this video, I want to make sure I didn't forget about talking about the thank you card I got from Carol Miller. A couple videos back, the Hiker Trailer East event, we did a food drive and we brought in quite a bit of food. Dropped it off at a local food pantry in Spencer, Indiana, where we were camping down there. And just wanted to read this card to you guys and let you know you made a difference. Dear Matt and Wendy, thank you for thinking of us and collecting the food for our food pantry. We serve about 180 families per month and are always looking for more to give. We hope you guys have a blessed time on your camping trip. Otherwise, sincerely, Carol Miller. So thank you, Carol, for that card. Just want to let you guys know you made an impact in that community with our event. So back to the video. So we'll do a walk around the outside. Tie out points everywhere. And the nice thing is they put loops of material here. So these loops of bungee can go around this hook, and then you've got Velcro. So it's a zipper inside, and then these panels can Velcro together. So you can quickly undo this from the stake, undo the Velcro, and you can see from here to here, this panel could be rolled up and you could have ventilation through this panel here and then have it come around the front side. And you've got tie points all along the way if you want to pull it out and make it tighter. We just kind of loosely staked it out so you could see what it looks like. Now, Wendy went and opened up the door, and you can see here, this is your main kind of door to come in and out. So that can roll up. So what do you guys think? Do you think the wall kit's worth the money? We think so. We think it's going to work out really good on those, especially cold and rainy days when you got the sideways rain. So you could actually sleep a couple extra people down in there. So let's start a discussion down in the comments. What do you think? Do you have a different style awning? A lot of the awning manufacturers make wall kits. Let me know. Like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.